In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover recently closed tabs on any web browser. So if you accidentally closed some browser tabs on any browser and you want to recover, like we have this site Gmail, and so as we can see we have opened some tabs and you accidentally close all tabs and you want to recover all tabs, so use this shortcut. Press Ctrl Shift and T. Ctrl Shift T. So all closed tab will be recovered like this. You need more tab, so again press Ctrl Shift T like this. So hopefully friends you like this video. By this quick method you can know how to recover all tabs which you closed before or accidentally closed. Thanks for watching.